the iPad Pro lineup has made a triumphant return with the unveiling of the 2024 models, available in both 11-inch and 13-inch variants. These latest iterations boast a plethora of enhancements, promising an elevated user experience. However, along with these upgrades comes a slightly heftier price tag. So, the burning question remains: are these advancements truly worth the investment? Join us as we embark on a comprehensive exploration, dissecting the disparities between the iPad Pro 2024 and its 2022 predecessor to determine whether the enhancements justify the higher cost. In the latest iPad Pro 2024 lineup, available in 11-inch and 13-inch sizes, Apple has made some notable tweaks, particularly in dimensions and weight. Unlike its predecessor, the 13-inch variant is now slightly lighter, tipping the scales at just 1.28 pounds, a reduction from the previous 1.5 lbs. This weight loss can be attributed to the device's sleeker profile, measuring a mere 5.1 mm in thickness, making it Apple's thinnest offering yet. One conspicuous alteration is the relocation of the front camera to the longer landscape side of the device. This adjustment not only enhances the aesthetics, but also improves the user experience, particularly during video calls, as it aligns more naturally with the typical landscape orientation. The standout feature of the iPad Pro 2024 undoubtedly lies in its revolutionary tandem OLED display. Breaking new ground for iPads, this OLED setup is no run-of-the-mill screen technology. By pairing two OLED panels, Apple has unlocked a whole new level of brilliance, boasting unparalleled brightness, infinite contrast, and vivid colors that pop against pitch-black backgrounds. Unlike its predecessor, which reserved the premium Mini LED display for the larger variant, both sizes of the iPad Pro 2024 flaunt the cutting-edge OLED technology. The difference in brightness is staggering, with the 2024 models hitting peak brightness of 1,000 nits for SDR content and 1,600 nits for HDR content, doubling the 2022 model's 600 nits for SDR content. Additionally, Apple offers a luxe nano-textured screen option for those opting for the 1TB or 2TB models, albeit at an extra cost of $100. This nano texture, akin to that found in high-end monitors, elegantly minimizes reflections, ensuring an uninterrupted viewing experience. While the display steals the spotlight, the biometric front remains unchanged, relying on the tried-and-true Face ID for secure authentication. While cameras might not be the iPad's claim to fame, they certainly serve a purpose when needed, setting them apart from their Mac counterparts. The iPad Pro 2024 brings a notable improvement in camera positioning, with the front camera now shifted to the horizontal side. This strategic move enhances the user experience, particularly when utilizing the device with a keyboard, resulting in a more flattering angle during video calls. However, not all changes are upgrades. The 2024 edition bids farewell to the ultra-wide rear camera, opting for a single wide-angle lens instead. Surprisingly, this omission doesn't seem to leave a void, highlighting the limited utility of these additional cameras. Introducing the adaptive True Tone flash to the rear camera system adds a touch of innovation. This feature proves invaluable for document scanning, intelligently eliminating any shadows cast over the document and ensuring optimal clarity. Truly a clever addition to the iPad's camera repertoire. In a surprising move, the new iPad Pro models leapfrog a generation and debut with the cutting-edge M4 chipset, a step ahead even of the latest Macs, engineered with a keen focus on the burgeoning realm of artificial intelligence. This chipset heralds a new era of performance and efficiency. Although the M2-equipped 2022 models remain formidable contenders in the speed department, the disparity will likely be most apparent in synthetic benchmarks rather than day-to-day usage. Another notable shift is observed in the baseline storage configuration, with the base iPad Pro models now boasting a generous 256 GB of onboard memory. However, this upgrade comes hand-in-hand with a bump in price. Starting at $1,000 for the 11-inch model and $1,300 for the 13-inch variant, the new iPad Pro lineup commands a premium compared to its 2022 predecessor, with a $200 price hike across the board. Moreover, users now have the option to select from 512 GB, 1 TB, and 2 TB storage configurations. Intriguingly, the 1 TB and 2 TB variants are accompanied by a doubling of RAM to 16 GB. surpassing the 8 GB found in the 256 GB and 512 GB models. The 2024 iPad Pro takes a giant leap towards becoming a genuine laptop replacement with the introduction of its revolutionary new accessory, the updated Magic Keyboard. This revamped Magic Keyboard retains the magnetic attachment mechanism, allowing the iPad to elegantly float above it. However, that's where the similarities end. Encased in aluminum, it boasts a slew of enhancements, including a long-awaited function row and the inclusion of an escape key, bringing it more in line with the familiar MacBook keyboard experience. The trackpad has also undergone a significant enlargement and now incorporates haptic feedback, delivering a user experience reminiscent of using a MacBook. Accompanying this transformation is the arrival of the Apple Pencil Pro, a versatile tool that unlocks boundless creative potential. Equipped with a new sensor in the barrel, it introduces the ability to squeeze to access a new tool palette. Additionally, a built-in haptic engine and gyro offer precise feedback and control, respectively. With added support for Find My, this advanced stylus seamlessly pairs, charges, and stores magnetically on the device, streamlining the user experience. In short, the new iPad Pro M4 undeniably stands out as the most impressive iteration yet. But the question remains, is it truly worth the hefty $200 price increase? Here's our take. While the enhancements across the board are undoubtedly appealing, the standout feature of the 2024 models is undoubtedly the new Magic Keyboard, which transforms the iPad Pro into an even more formidable laptop replacement. Sure, the thinner design, lighter weight, faster M4 chipset, repositioned front camera, and stunning tandem OLED screen are all welcome improvements. However, these upgrades alone might not be compelling enough to warrant an immediate upgrade for current iPad Pro 2022 owners. What truly shines with the iPad Pro 2024 is Apple's clear vision for the device, a seamless blend of laptop functionality with the versatility of a touchscreen and detachable design. It's a bold step forward that aligns with the evolving needs of users. Now, if only iPadOS could keep pace with this innovative direction, we'd truly have a game-changing device on our hands. That's all for today.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.